Hi, welcome to week 2 of our renovation, and we're in the good, bad, and ugly phase, and currently it's all ugly. Well, as I started the demo, we found the ugly, and it only got uglier as we ended up having to dig out the whole floor in the which used to be our laundry, which is now our bathroom space. As you can see, they've dug down about 3 feet. They're going to put a grade beam. They got to go down another 4 or 5 feet, and we have a nice opening for animals, critters, and anything else to come in between our house and the foundation. The good news is we got a brand new water heater, and it's a tankless, so it's really cool. And then of course our laundry is outside now, and who can beat outdoor laundry? Hey, would you like to do laundry with a view? Can't beat this. We run into the bad. The only thing we can say is next comes good news. And believe me, there is no ugly. It's only bad or good. And we'll show you some of the examples of the good coming next week with our tub, our vanity, and other things that we purchased that are going to make this look beautiful.